Let's make butter chicken. Ooh, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, this is some good butter chicken. Alright guys, so for today we are going to make vegan butter chicken. Our butter is vegan, our cream cheese is vegan, everything here is vegan. This is why it's a vegan butter chicken. Alright, for the butter chicken we're going to be using our pumfu tofu, which is a soy-free tofu made from pumpkin seeds. Definitely check out Foodies, they have them for sale on their page. Alright, so now I'm going to add the seasoning to the pumfu because we are going to marinate our vegan mock chicken and put it away. Make sure you mix this very well. Now we're going to add our coconut yogurt, guys. You're going to want to use the plain yogurt because a lot of these yogurts out here are vanilla and other flavors. Make sure it's plain so that the flavor from the vanilla in the yogurt doesn't come out tasting in the butter chicken, because we're making butter chicken, not vanilla butter chicken. All right, so now we're going to saute our vegan butter chicken in this butter sauce. Alright guys, so we're gonna saute this for 5 to 8 minutes until you get that nice little char. You can use tofu, jackfruit, whatever you have to make this. You could even use hearts of palm. Shout out to all the people that watch me and that put comments in the section below. The full recipe is below if you guys want to follow along. Alright, so now we're gonna add our tomatoes, our garlic, and our onions. I was so excited when making this video that I should have added the onions first and then the garlic, but it's okay, it's the same thing. It's going right in the food processor so we could blend up these vegetables so we could create our butter sauce. Make sure you cook this down for at least 5 minutes. And then we're going to add this into the food processor so we could get nice and thin, because remember, we're going to get that sifter. We're going to sift this baby out. Make sure everything is nice and thin for this sauce. All right, guys. Look how delicious this is. There's no chunks. Everything was processed nicely. So now we're going to add this baby into the sifter because we're going to sift this out with the remainings of the vegetables. Take that, put it away, put it in the freezer, use it in your substitute meat that you're gonna maybe make. If you're gonna make something, you could use that. It comes out so well. It's like, adding some flavor to your food. You don't want to throw anything away because technically it's still good. So we're gonna sift this baby out. You could use a spoon or a spatula or anything that you have at the time being that you could use, and you can see that it's coming out on the bottom and it's getting nice and thin. All right guys, so we're gonna save this paste. It's gonna make like a tomato paste, and you could put this, you see this paste right here, you could put that away, put it in a Ziploc or anything and put it in the freezer, and you could use it in some of your dishes. Look how smooth and thin this is, guys. No chunks at all. So now we're gonna add this into our pan. Guys, do not wash your pan. Leave the pan as is. We want that same flavor from the butter chicken pumfu to remain in that pan, so we can add that. So now we're gonna add some more butter. All right guys, I know you're like, yo, this guy's putting so much butter, dude. Look, we're putting that butter because this is butter chicken. All right, so I'm gonna be using Violife cream cheese for my cream, because I noticed that a lot of the plant-based or vegan milks out here are not creamy enough to mimic the thickness that I want. Alright, so I'm gonna add my seasonings and I'm gonna saute it down into this pan real quick. In the tomatoes, I'm gonna add some more cream cheese so I could get that consistency that I need. All right, so that's that. Thank you so much, guys, for always being here and following me. And my 4 years is coming up. I've been cooking and posting and showing you guys how to veganize meals for 4 years now, and thank you. If I haven't said it, thank you so much. Don't forget to share my videos, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.